Welcome back to another Always Curious on video, and today we are packing up for Wheels of Churning number 1. Just a bunch of new things on the tractor. Hopefully they will all work better and help us get down the track. And yeah, it's nice and excited to go out and test it and see how this brand new setup works. That was a pretty good pull for the first run ever with the tractor with all the new updates. The sled was set up very short, so definitely was not set up for the gear that we were running. And you can see it definitely just pulls the motor down at the end, but pretty happy for that first run.
It's the boy driving.
Overall, that was a pretty good hook. The sled was set up so we could pull a little bit further, but the gear was still way too tall. As you can hear, it just pulls the engine down as soon as the transmission comes up. So we will definitely take that in consideration and work on that in the next pull. But for now, here's some other videos of the vehicles from the weekend.
Away she goes. Beautiful. And away he goes. Good pull there, nice pull. First time out. And here we go. Nice, that's a great pull. Great pull.